This video you are going to see one experiment in virtual lab web portal. The name of the experiment is open circuit short circuit test on single phase transformer. Let's see the experiment. The procedure for open this experiment. First of all, open the Chrome browser. For Google search engine, then type google.com. Here type VLab. Virtual lab web portal is appearing first. Then click virtual lab. This is virtual lab website. Scroll down this page. The bottom side you can see the electrical engineering course. Click this one. Here many number of labs are available. Here next click electrical machines lab new. Here click list of experiments. Here you can see the sixth experiment, determination of transformer equivalent circuit from open circuit and short circuit test. Click this one. The aim of this experiment is determination of transformer equivalent circuit from open circuit and short circuit test. Here in this single phase transformer, conduct two experiments, open circuit test and short circuit test for finding the equivalent circuit parameters and draw the equivalent circuit. The theory: single phase transformer has two windings. One is primary winding and secondary winding. Here the open circuit test is conducted in low voltage side. The high voltage side is left open. Normally the voltmeter is connected across the power supply. Here this one is voltmeter. Here instead of A, here this one is B. Then ammeter is connected series with the power supply. Here instead of B, here this one is A. Ammeter is connected series with the power supply. This is the wattmeter. Wattmeter terminals are M, L, C, B. M main, L line, C voltage, C is the common terminal. Here in this connection, C and L's are short circuited. The connections are taken from the auto transformer. The procedure for this experiment: first of all, adjust the auto transformer to set the rated voltage. Then take the corresponding voltmeter reading and wattmeter reading. That time the secondary side of this transformer is kept open. This is the circuit diagram. Then short circuit test. Normally the low voltage winding is short circuited. The experiments are conducted in the high voltage side. The voltmeter is connected across the power supply. This one is the voltmeter. Instead of A, here B is there. Okay. Then here this one is the ammeter. Ammeter measures the short circuit current. This is wattmeter for measuring the power, short circuit power. Then adjust the auto transformer to set the rated current in the ammeter. Then correspondingly measure the voltmeter reading and wattmeter reading. After that, using these formulas, calculate the equivalent circuit parameters, then draw the equivalent circuit. Then next of all, click the simulation. Click here, go to simulation page. Here the simulation page panel is open. MCB. Then this is voltmeter, ammeter and wattmeter. Auto transformer. Here the single phase supply phase neutral. The phases are indicated as positive like this in this panel board. Then neutral is indicated like negative symbol. Okay. Similarly here, this is phase. This one is neutral. Then here both input and outputs are taken from these terminals. This is voltmeter 2 for open circuit test. Now let's see the connection. First of all, connect the voltmeter across this power supply. Voltmeter across the power supply. Then supply is given to the auto transformer. That is, the phase is connected to phase. Here the phase symbol is denoted as positive. Positive is connected to positive and negative is connected to negative. Then ammeter is connected series with the power supply. So the auto transformer plus to ammeter plus. Then ammeter negative to wattmeter M. Then wattmeter C and L are short circuited. Then B2 transformer primary winding P2. Then P2 and negatives are connected. Then L2 transformer primary winding P1 terminal. Then this voltmeter is connected across the secondary winding. S1 to positive, S2 to negative. Then check the connection. Connections are correct. Then switch on the power supply. Then adjust the auto transformer to set the rated voltage. Now take the reading. The wattmeter reading 50 watts. Open circuit current 0.9 ampere. Open circuit voltage 230 volt. 230 volt. Then next conduct short circuit test by click this short circuit test button. Then corresponding short circuit test panel is opening. Now give the connection similar to that of open circuit test. Only one difference is the secondary terminals are short circuited. S1 and S2 are short circuited. Similarly connect. The supply is given to auto transformer plus to plus, minus to minus. Then the voltmeter is connected across this power supply. Next, the ammeter is connected series with the power supply. Auto transformer positive to ammeter positive. Auto transformer negative to wattmeter M. Then wattmeter C and L are short circuited. B2 transformer primary P2. Then transformer primary P2 to auto transformer negative. Then L2 transformer primary P1. Now the secondary winding is short circuited. Just to connect S1 and S2 terminals directly. Now check the connection. Connection correct. Then switch on the power supply. Then adjust the auto transformer to set the rated current in the ammeter. Then measure the reading by clicking the add to table. The readings are the short circuit power 37.5, short circuit current 4.5, short circuit voltage 11 volt. Then press the submit button. The values are calculated and plotted on the equivalent circuit. This is the required equivalent circuit for this experiment. The open circuit and short circuit test on single phase transformer is conducted through Virtual Lab software. Thank you.